Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home looks and feels. Bright, sun-filled rooms feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable, while darker spaces can feel closed in or less inviting. One of the most effective ways to increase natural light is by installing bay windows. For homeowners in Rowlett, bay windows are a popular upgrade because they bring in abundant daylight while improving the overall comfort and appeal of living spaces. Designed to capture light from multiple angles, bay windows extend outward from the exterior wall and typically include 3 window panels arranged at angles. This design allows sunlight to enter from different directions throughout the day. In Rowlett homes, this multi-angle exposure helps maximize daylight from morning to evening, making rooms brighter for longer periods compared to flat, single-pane windows. Creating brighter, more inviting living areas, natural light instantly transforms a room's atmosphere. Bay windows flood living spaces with sunlight, reducing shadows and eliminating dim corners. For Rowlett homeowners, this added brightness makes living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms feel more inviting and comfortable for everyday use. Making rooms feel larger and more open, light and space go hand in hand. Bay windows not only increase natural light but also add depth to a room by extending beyond the wall. In Rowlett homes, this combination of added light and expanded visual space makes rooms feel larger and more open without the need for major remodeling. Enhancing views while bringing the outdoors inside, bay windows frame outdoor views beautifully, whether overlooking a yard, garden, or neighborhood scenery. The wider viewing area enhances the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. For Rowlett residents, enjoying natural light alongside scenic views adds to relaxation and everyday enjoyment at home. Improving light distribution throughout the room. Because bay windows include multiple panes positioned at angles, they distribute light more evenly across the room. This reduces harsh glare in one spot and spreads brightness throughout the space. In Rowlett living areas, balanced lighting makes rooms more functional for activities like reading, working, or entertaining. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting. With increased daylight entering the home, homeowners rely less on lamps and overhead lighting during daytime hours. For Rowlett households, this not only enhances comfort but also supports energy savings by reducing the need for artificial lighting. Highlighting interior design and decor, natural light enhances colors, textures, and architectural details inside the home. Bay windows allow sunlight to showcase interior finishes and decor. In Rowlett homes, brighter interiors feel more polished and visually appealing, helping homeowners enjoy their design choices even more. Pairing light with modern energy efficiency. While bay windows are known for their light-enhancing benefits, modern designs also focus on performance. Today's bay windows can include insulated glass and tight seals that help manage heat transfer. For Rowlett homeowners, this means enjoying abundant sunlight without sacrificing indoor comfort or efficiency. Creating functional and cozy window spaces. The space created by bay windows often becomes a favorite area of the home. Whether used as a seating nook, reading spot, or decorative space, this area benefits from natural light throughout the day. In Rowlett homes, these bright, cozy spaces add both comfort and functionality. Professional installation ensures maximum light benefits. To fully enjoy the benefits of bay windows, proper installation is essential. Professional installation ensures correct placement, sealing, and alignment. For Rowlett homeowners, expert installation ensures bay windows perform as intended and deliver lasting light and comfort. A bright upgrade for Rowlett homes. Bay windows are a powerful way to enhance natural light and transform living spaces. By capturing sunlight from multiple angles, expanding visual space, and improving light distribution, they create brighter, more comfortable interiors. For homeowners in Rowlett, bay windows offer a beautiful and practical upgrade that elevates both daily living and overall home appeal.